Clients depend on their 3PLs and order fulfillment partners to execute their all-important logistics and distribution function. Therefore, while selecting a distribution center, be sure to check their order execution policies so that they can execute your orders quickly. Fueled by the phenomenal growth of e-commerce players the world over, along with a global business ecosystem where supply materials, components, and finished products are now shipped all over the world, the demand for logistics companies has also skyrocketed. While looking for a suitable one to partner, however, be sure to check their business procedures, i.e., are they following best practices in running their operations? At the very core of your relationship with your order fulfillment partner is a vendor compliance program. A well-planned and suitably resourced VCP streamlines all aspects of a 3PL's operations, improves all functional areas, minimizes cost, and creates customer satisfaction. This enables a mutually efficient working relationship between your warehouse partner and yourself. This includes integrating processes of all downstream vendors, forward integration with upstream stakeholders, and inculcating best practices down to the very smallest of functions, such as labeling methods and carton cost and design. All this goes a long way in establishing a solid client-vendor relationship. The more your 3PL adopts the correct technology to optimize his order fulfillment performance, the more efficient his operation will be. A suitable WMS will improve system integrations, forecast demand supply better, optimize inventory management, etc. Unless a 3PL constantly analyzes the critical KPIs that indicate the health of the business, he doesn't have the correct pulse of his operations. Metrics that define its operating functions and provide a clear idea of plan versus actual should be a constant focus area for all warehouse managers. With all aspects of a logistics and supply chain operation now being automatically recorded and available for analysis, make sure your 3PL has a comprehensive data analytics team. If not, it will not gain the critical insights required to constantly improve and maintain high operating benchmarks. Unless an order fulfillment center follows cutting-edge policies with regards to inventory planning and movement, it would fall well short of achieving maximum efficiency. This, in turn, would not only hamper its operations, but also result in inflated cost of operations. Methods for distribution centers to check/improve their inventory policies include: re-examine warehouse design for ease of access, flow, and space. Use clear labels for work areas, aisles, shelves, items, and safety protocols. Stock items based on ABC analysis so that fast-moving goods are accessed easily. A supply chain is a complex maze of numerous stakeholders, each performing a set of functions that are linked to the other. Inefficiencies at any point would disrupt the entire process. Therefore, it is vital you select a 3PL that maintains an efficient omni-channel method of communication, including phone, WhatsApp, text messages, automatic notifications via pop-ups, etc. Designated teams must be responsible and accountable for the process of communication. 3PLs, warehouses, and order fulfillment centers are a labor-intensive industry. They employ a lot of labor across all aspects of its operations. Full-time, part-time, or contracted, the teams work 24/7 and often battle the hazards of weather and traffic. It is natural that these armies of workers seek to be recognized for the amount of effort they put in. In addition to financial rewards, be sure to devise and implement other employee programs, e.g. health facilities, retirement benefits, workplace celebrations, to make them feel valued. Warehouse operations typically suffer from innate problems such as order overprocessing, maintaining excess inventory, overproduction, poor reverse logistics, the list goes on. Such pitfalls result in inefficiency that affects its ability to deliver your orders quickly. Be sure to investigate your distribution partner's operating policies. Don't forget that whatever technology you use in your processes, and however modern they may be, they are still being operated by your employees. If fulfillment center employees aren't familiar with the systems that are in use, not only will they not be able to utilize them for best performance, but also create an atmosphere of confusion and inefficiency. Check to see how well trained and knowledgeable your 3PL's workers are, the type of training programs they undergo, whether their annual appraisals are linked to their training and skill development programs, etc. By setting up shipments to arrive/depart simultaneously, the warehouses can utilize labor, machinery, and time more efficiently. This enables multitasking and consolidates loading/unloading of shipments that ultimately results in cost reduction and improves resource utilization. While setting up a cross-docking system by a 3PL isn't cheap, its results are certainly worth it, and it pays for itself via money and time saved, especially for large fulfillment centers. Cross-docking allows 3PLs to load products from one transportation vehicle/container to another, and completely circumvents the need for storage/warehousing by reloading them directly to the next vehicle. This helps 3PLs reduce client order fulfillment time. Look for distribution centers that arrange their inventory smartly by adopting dynamic slotting as against the traditional batch-based process. Here, products are stored, locations within the warehouse, shelf levels, etc., based on the next order to be delivered. Therefore, they can be loaded quickly and delivered faster. Clearly, fulfillment centers and warehouses work at frenetic speeds. Therefore, it is imperative that its management team constantly examines its operational procedures against relevant metrics to ensure they are working at the requisite levels of efficiency. Distribution centers and 3PLs are important business partners. While selecting one, make sure your potential 3PL adopts all the necessary best practices across cost, data, labor, and technology, such as the most advanced last-mile delivery software.